Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for being here with me. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I'm so happy. If today is your first time coming across my video, you are highly welcome. God bless you for doing that for me. I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much. For my returning subscribers, you guys are so amazing. You guys are so wonderful. Thank you guys for supporting each other. I'm so happy. In today's video, I'm going to talk about we mothers. I included myself because I'm a mother. I have 4 kids, 2 boys and 2 girls. Thank God for that. So I'm going to talk about one thing that touched my heart. Whenever I see video on that thing, I really cried to the extent that my children will be asking me, "Mommy, what is going on?" My dear, how can you treat your mate like an animal? Sometimes do you ask yourself question? How can you treat your maid like an animal? Do you think that your maid is perfect? You that is treating your maid, are you perfect? No. Capital no. And you expect your maid to be perfect? If your maid mistakenly did one thing wrong, you will hit on her, you will hit the iron. You will hit this iron. After making this iron to be hot, you will use it on your maid body. When you are using it, where is your conscience? Where is your conscience? Where did you keep that conscience that God gave you? Do you know how it pains when you hit someone iron that is hot? You are using iron on your maid body, and you think that this is the light punishment you have to give to your maid. No, it's not good. Where is your conscience? Where did you keep your conscience? Where did you keep that conscience God gave you? You hit iron on your maid, someone's child. The same way you born your own child, that is the same way that person born her own child. What is really going on? Sometimes you need to meditate. You need to meditate. Do meditation. Meditation will help you. Meditation will tell you where you are doing bad, where you are doing wrong. If you know where you are doing wrong, then you have to ask God for forgiveness and ask God to give you that heart to change from that bad thing. You have to change totally, because maltreating your maid will bring bad things in your family. You will be praying, "God, please, I need this. I need promotion from work." That promotion is right in front of you. That promotion is near you. But what is holding it is your bad character, your bad mind. God is watching you. Don't think that God is keeping quiet. God is watching you. Mother, I have 4 kids. I endure so many things from my kids. Why can't I endure so many things for my maid? Why can't you endure so many things from your maid? If you can endure so many things from your children, your precious children that God gave you, why can't you endure so many things from your maid? The same way God bless you, that is the same way God bless that woman that give you that child as your maid. You have to talk to your conscience. Talk to your conscience so that you will change. So many things is holding your blessing. You don't know. You are maltreating your maid that do so many work in your house. She will cook, she will wash clothes, she will sweep house, she will do a lot of work in your house. And later, you will have the mind, you will have the heart to prepare pepper. After preparing pepper, you will use it on your maid body. Where is your conscience? Every day, you will prepare and go to church. Church is where we serve our living God. Church is where we learn good characters. Church is where we ask God for blessing. We ask God for mercy upon our sins. Church is where we ask God, please, we need this promotion. Church is where we ask God to clean us from our evil deeds, to make us to be a new person, to make us to be a better person. After going to church, you come back with bad mind, bad character, bad heart. Where did you keep your heart? Do what they teach you when you go to church. If you think, let me tell you, God is answering your prayer. God is listening to your cry. God, but what is holding that favor to come your way is what you are doing to another person's child. If you are not comfortable with your maid, please send your maid back to his parents. Instead, you send her back to his parents rather than living with her in your house and you are maltreating her. So when we tell the parents, I'm going to send your child to school, but when they come back, they will not do what they promise. My dear, don't bring maid to your house if you know you are not capable to treat her the same way you treat your own children. Don't bring maid in your house. Is your maid, which means you have to be grateful to God, because that maid helps you a lot. That maid helps you to do what you are not able to do. That maid helps you to do what you are not capable to do. I know what I am passing through with my children, but they are small. And when I have someone to help me, I'm going to be happy. I'm going to tell God, thank you so much for bringing this person to me. And you that have maid, you are maltreating your maid. Someone that helps you in your house. Someone that makes you happy. Because if you see someone that helps you to do what you are not able to do, you will feel happy inside yourself. Then why do you have bad heart to treat that person badly? It's not good. So if you are doing like this, please change from it. It's not going to help you. Your maid is someone's child. Stop maltreating her so that that promotion, that blessing that you are seeking from God will come to you. That promotion that you are asking God for a long time that is near you will come immediately. So stop maltreating your maid. God is seeing you. Be careful what you are doing. God is seeing you. If you are not comfortable, please kindly send your maid back to his parents. Thank you so much. I hope you learn one thing or the other from this video. If you love this video, please don't watch this video alone. Share it with others so that maybe this video will help one person or the other, so that anyone that is maltreating her maid will change from that bad character, because it's not going to benefit her. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, and God bless you here in my channel. Please, after watching this video, subscribe to my channel. Subscription is free. You are not going to pay anything. They are not going to take your money. So subscribe so that all of us will learn together. Thank you so much, and God bless you for watching this video. God bless you for listening to my voice.